Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change MAC address on Windows 11 PC. For this, click on this one Start button, then type Device Manager. In the search results, click on Device Manager entry. Once Device Manager opens up, double click on this one Network Adapters option. Select your network adapter and then right click on it, choose this one properties option, then switch to the advanced tab. In the property, select locally administered address and you can set here unique MAC address. You can choose letters and numbers and it should be in total 12 letter or digit or both, such as I will put here like this in the value field, then click on this one OK button. Now your PC will use new MAC address that you have changed just now. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.